In order to create a new theme, simply go to Store Management, Settings, then you click on Website, Themes, and you'll be at the Themes screen. You cannot change the system default. The system default is the standard theme that will always be activated when you first get your website, and if you ever mess up the theme that you're working on, you can always go back to the default theme. The default theme will also be modified in the future if we ever add new pages, and the default value will be added on to your custom theme if you ever make one. This means that if your custom theme is going to be a black on black color and the system default is a white on white color, when new classes are added, the white color will be synced into your black theme and you'll have to go and change it. So make sure you monitor the Shopping Cart Elite Twitter announcements located on the Shopping Cart Elite website under Company News. And if you ever see that there was new classes added to a theme and you have a custom theme activated, make sure you go and double check to make sure everything looks fine. Now you can't modify the system default theme, but if you want to create a new one, you simply click on Duplicate the System Default Theme, make sure you change the name, after you give your custom name to the theme, you can mark it default. Default means this is your main theme. The reason why you need a main theme, because you can create more than one theme and schedule different runtimes for them. So for example, if you have a default theme, which is your current website theme, but then a holiday comes around, let's say Christmas, and you want to make a Christmas theme on your website, what you can do is you can make another theme, schedule a certain time, so you can say, I want to run my Christmas theme from December 1st to December 31st, customize the graphics on the second custom theme, and what's going to happen is, so when December 1st comes around, your Christmas theme is going to go into effect. On December 31st, when it's going to end, it's going to go back to your default theme. So you want to make sure that whatever your theme is, as a default, that it's activated and set to default. So once you create your second theme, it's going to show up here. Now this one you can modify and do whatever you want with it. It's not going to go live until you click here and press activate. As soon as you press activate, your default theme will go offline and your new theme will take effect immediately. Now if you want to modify anything, you can sort by different colors, by tags, descriptions, category, class names. If you want to preview the style or modify the color, you can click on these little three dots and you can do color by name, custom color, hex color, or RGB color. If you want to upload an image, you simply click on the three dots next to an image and it's going to ask you to upload the image. Keep in mind that your image must meet the same specifications as the original image. You can find out the image size from this screen or from the website. The import and export feature will be used to import and export your theme. So you will be able to export a certain theme to put it onto your other website. You can also import a theme if you purchase it from another designer who has a compatible import file with Shopping Cart Elite. If you want to preview your theme, whenever you do any kind of changes, you can press the preview button and choose which browser you want to preview it in. Make sure that whenever you modify your theme to check in all browsers to make sure it looks good. The last option that you have is settings, and in the settings you can select the color of your drop downs that's on the product pages and the categories, the background of your image color, which is dynamically built on the thumbnails and the product page, and also custom images which are server based, but you are now able to modify them yourself. So in this case you have the missing product image, missing category image, and the CVV2 explanation on the checkout. You can also type anything in the search to find anything, including a value, a class name, a description, category, whatever is in here can be searched through this bar. Keep in mind that you can run different banners on different schedules. So for example, if you want to modify your main banner image on your homepage every single month or every single week, you can hire a designer to provide you that service. Then you have them send you that graphic image. You go to your themes and you simply replace that image in your themes. If you want to run a different one every single month, you simply make a different theme by duplicating it for every single month, scheduling it to run at a certain time, putting the images in advance, and just letting it run on your website. I can also advise you to get a main banner image which can be modifiable by you. So for example, the image will look a certain way, and then you'll have a text box that you can modify within the image to run certain specials in there on the main banner that you can simply modify in Photoshop. So you may want to consider asking for that modification to be done to your banners from your designer.